Oh my god. I was just about to turn the light off. And before this video, I just made another video. Not about sneezing, about other things. So I thought, okay, I finished. I'm not gonna sneeze tonight. Okay, start again. No, I can't. There's a sneeze coming. Look at me. Jesus. Oh, never mind. It's better than other days. There's a sneeze coming now. Okay, I think it's finished. Anyway, just before this video, I'd made another video. No, I want to sneeze again. Anyway, just before this video, I made another video about the menopause and about hormones and everything. I want to sneeze again. Is it finished? I hope so. Is it finished? Okay, I think it's finished. Anyway, just for this video, I made another video about hormones and about the menopause and about getting older. But also, puberty is just like the menopause. You know, when you're a teenager, you have all the hormones going up and down, and things like that. And that's the same thing when you go through the menopause. And also men go through the menopause as well. Your hormones go up and down, and it's crazy. Well, anyway, I think my sneezing's finished. But if you're interested about hormones and all that shit, watch the other video that I haven't posted yet because I'm still recording this one. But look under health and care. This video will not. This video will come under sniffling, the season Sniffler playlist. My other video will become under health and care or something like that. Do you know what I mean? Well, anyway, I'm getting tired now. And it's weekend. Yay! Love you all. Bye.